all, welcome back to my channel Swati Saj Creations. Today's recipe is really healthy and delicious. It's Mung Bean Hummus, Beetroot Hummus and Spinach Hummus. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the future notification. Do share it with your friends and family. Keep watching this video till end. Let us start with the spinach hummus. 1 cup boiled chickpeas, 1 chopped green chilli, half cup blanch spinach, salt to taste, three cloves of garlic, few mint leaves, around 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now blend it in the blender and your spinach hummus is ready. Let's start with the beetroot hummus. 1 cup boiled chickpeas, 3 cloves of garlic, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, three pieces of boiled beetroot, and 2 tablespoons of water. Blend it in the blender and your beetroot hummus is ready. Let's start with the mung bean hummus. 1 cup of boiled mung bean, salt to taste, 1 chopped green chilli, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 3 cloves of garlic. Blend it in the blender and your mung bean hummus is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.